Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust, clean and lube your motorcycle chain. Stay tuned. It's really important to maintain your chain. I clean it and lube it every week and adjust it every month. I'll show you how to do this on my YAMAHA FZ07. I'm going to use a torque wrench, 27mm socket for the axle nut, 5mm Allen for the rear sliders, two 12mm wrenches for the chain adjusters, and if you have only one, you can use pliers instead. Laser chain adjuster, WD-40 to clean the chain lube, chain cleaning brush, a clean rag and anything to cover the wheel like a cardboard. The laser chain adjustment tool is from a company called Profi. It makes adjustment more accurate. This brush is a 360 brush. You can use a toothbrush, but make sure to cover all four sides of the chain. First, put your bike on the rear stand. In my case, I need to remove the rear sliders first using the 5mm Allen. Then loosen the rear axle nut using the 27mm socket, but don't remove it. After loosening the rear axle nut, loosen the chain adjusters using the 12mm wrenches on both sides. On this bike, the chain tension has to be 2 inches or 5 centimeters. Adjust the left side chain adjuster until you reach the 5 centimeter tension. If set correctly, the chain must not reach the swing arm. Now bring the laser chain adjuster. And stick it against the rear sprocket facing forward and start rotating the wheel slowly. The goal is for the laser beam to pass on all outer links without deviating. Here it's deviating at the far end. Start adjusting the right side chain adjuster until the laser passes on all outer links. Now set your torque wrench to 76 foot-pound. Using your 27mm socket, tighten the rear axle nut until it clicks. Confirm that the chain didn't get any tighter. Check the chain adjustment again. If you have a similar rear axle nut with a locking bolt, now is the time to lock it. Tighten the chain adjustment bolts on both sides of the bike. Now it's cleaning time. Put the cardboard behind the chain, covering the exhaust and the rear wheel. If you have a 360 brush, now is the time to put it on the chain. Use a clean rag to cover the plastic tire hugger and the swing arm just in case. Spray some WD-40 on the chain to clean it. Brush to clean more. Then rotate the wheel forward to get to the next section. Spray, brush, rotate forward. Spray, brush, rotate forward until you finish the whole chain. Now remove the cardboard. Remove the rag and the chain brush. Using the rag, wipe out the chain of any excessive WD-40 on it. But be extra careful not to get your fingers stuck between the sprocket and the chain. You may lose a finger. Also clean the sprocket itself while you're at it. Now place a cardboard behind the chain and start spraying the chain lube. Rotate the wheel forward and spray until you cover the whole chain. Remove the cardboard and wipe off the chain to remove the excessive lube. You should end up with something like this. Now I'll put the sliders back. And there you have it. Clean, shiny, and good to go. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and ride safe.